Hi, this is our wellness corner. I'll be telling us about the food to eat that suits sore throat. Remember, when you have a sore throat, it is not every food that is advisable for you to eat. Now, the following food can be eaten whenever you have sore throat and cough. One of those food is soup actually. Warm soup is better and suits the throat. You can go for soft rice, oatmeal, yogurt is very good. Mashed potato is good too. Banana, scrambled egg, warm custard or pap is very good. Of course, you can go for fruits that are very rich in vitamin C, like oranges, pineapple, tangerine, and watermelon. Yeah, all these are what can easily go down your throat without causing any irritation inside your throat. So, in our next video, I'll be telling us the food to avoid, especially when you have sore throat and cough. Thank you.